I'm going to give you a crash course on using your zipper foot. You're going to notice that your foot E has two different places it can attach to the machine, a left side and a right side. So depending on which side of the zipper you're working on and where the bulk is, you can always switch it to be exactly where you need it. So if we were putting this zipper on this fabric, our first seam is going to be with the teeth over here on the left side. So I'm going to attach the foot to the left side, and then as I need, I can move that needle position over to be closer to the zipper if I want. So let me just slide this underneath. I'll push my down arrow or my presser foot down 2 times, 1, 2, and then that way I can kind of wiggle the fabric left or right, get it exactly lined up. And then here I can move my needle position over to be extra close to the zipper before I start to stitch. Then that way I'm going to get a nice close stitching to those zipper teeth. Just keep the fabric hugged against the foot, or I should say not the fabric, the zipper teeth. All right, let's see how that looks. Now, usually you want to top stitch the edge down so it looks really nice and crisp along the edge of your zipper. So here is what it's going to look like. Now our zipper is going to be over here on the left side. So let's go ahead and switch it over. You might move your needle position back the other direction, a little bit closer to that edge, and repeat exactly what we just did. Press your foot down 2 times. Wiggle it to where you want it to start, and then start stitching. Again, just move your needle position to be as close as you want to that edge. So I could have moved it over a little bit more to the right, but it's going to look really good when I'm done. Nice, straight, professional looking stitch, all because the foot is guiding right along the zipper. And then just repeat on the other side for your second piece of fabric.